Meet Charles Osborne, an Iowa farmer whose life took an unexpected turn in 1922 when a fall triggered a never-ending case of hiccups. For an astonishing 68 years, Charles hiccuped around 40 times a minute. Despite seeking medical help and leading a family life, the hiccups persisted, and just as remarkably, they gradually diminished and vanished in 1990. His case remains a medical mystery, and he also holds the Guinness World Record for the longest hiccup attack. Do you think his record will ever be beaten?